All right, guys, welcome along for the ride to the unboxing of the world's lowest flowing 13 mil P-pump. Now, that doesn't sound very sexy, and that's gonna break a bunch of brains out there. Why in the world would you spend this much money on a pump that doesn't flow anything? We could do that with a 12 mil. Well, on this channel, we do a lot of R&D, and this is a lot of brain power has gone into this guy. We're trying a theory, and we want to see if it works. If it works, we'll take you along for the ride. If not, we spent a lot of money. Huge shout out to Seth over there at Farrell Diesel. He is willing to put up with some of the ideas that we run across, and a huge shout out to Weston over at Infinite Performance, because he is the brain power that helps make sure we're going in the right direction with this. We're going to be putting this on a P-Pump 6.7. It will be a street truck, and we are trying to make good, clean power. And we're trying to take advantage of some of the advantages of a double advantage there, of a 13 mil pump, and get rid of some of the bad characteristics of a 13 mil. So this thing is very, very tame on purpose, and is running a 903 cam. So we've got good injection rates on this, and the injection rate of a 13 mil. And if it works, we'll bring you along for that ride, because that's what we do here. We try to share what we learn. If it doesn't work, we'll let you know that it just straight doesn't work, and then we'll go back to the land of 12 mils. This is our third 13 mil. I guess, yeah, something, second or third, something like that. Third? I guess this is our third, but the other ones put out about twice as much fuel as this puts out. So this guy is seriously, I think, claims the title for the lowest flow numbers that Seth has ever gotten out of a 13 mil. Now, that is not a commentary on Seth. That is by design, y'all. Anyway, thank you for coming along, and I can't wait to get this thing in the truck. It's going to take us a second, because we've got some fuel supply issues that we need to take care of, and we've got some other work that needs to be done in order to wrap up the motor that's going to match this, so we can really test it how we want to. But going to be very exciting. I hope you guys will join us on this little journey of the P-pumped 6.7 in the 4th gen.